He's such a social bird. He just seems to gravitate towards me. But I think you need to have a bath. See? What do you got, parasites on you or something? Yeah, me too. You need to have a bath, Bobby. You need to have a bath. Come on. Have your bath. Now he's going to eat my statue. Why do you like to eat that? It's calcium carbonate. Come on. Jump in. Have your bath. Stop eating the statue. Here. Look. Right here. Look. It's bath time. It's bath time. Have your bath. Have your bath. Come on, you need a bath. Get those parasites off of you. Bobby, look. Jump in. You're not going to be able to do this next month. It's going to be too cold. No. Stop eating your statue. Stop eating your statue. Oh, I think you just told me off. What are you gonna do? You gonna have your bath? He wants to come back, right? Well, make up your mind. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Well, you know what? You seem to be a little confused today. You seem to be a little confused today. Aren't we all? Okay. So you don't want to go up your ladder. You don't want to have a bath. You don't know what you want to do you? Okay. Back in you go. See you later, alligator.